Jessica. So a few days ago on Sunday, I was moving some stuff, and we had a U-Haul. We pulled out the little, what is it called?
The ramp.
The ramp.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't step high enough, and I literally dragged my foot up the side of it.
All right, dab it. So I can see how deep the cut is. Oh shoot! That to happen, but the hole was so big and so deep, it needed stitches. It needed help.
Yeah, he was literally moving the skin around the bone.
Yeah, we seen all straight through there. That's the bone.
You're gonna see the video. This is just the interview part. But anyway, we're gonna do something like that every day. I'm gonna come back and see how much relief we can get you from this. This is definitely a 10 when you put it on the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna see how much we can help. Maybe you can test it out, touch the ground with your toe and see if it's.
Like in the middle of the night, I could tell it was getting better, because then I was able to crawl, because it was literally, I had my son helping me to the bath. I was like, ooh, and you know I take pain, but I'm like, I'm trying to breathe through it. Yeah. Tears was coming out of this little eye. I'm like, oh Father, please.
Awesome. Okay, so we'll be back in a few minutes, maybe about 30 minutes.